Welcome to Arsonpo's website. This is a new episode of What and Where Decor Material series. Today we are talking about very important material used in interiors, that is the artificial imitation of wood. The biggest example and the most popular example of this material is the kitchen cabinets. The kitchen cabinets have high tendency of water exposure, continuous cleaning, and it's like high traffic, so it's high usage. So the material there has to be very durable and cleanable and long lasting. So there are so many material that are substituting wood in this regard. It's cheaper and it can be applied in large spaces and it can come in so many colors. These materials include melamine, include laminate, and include like textured panels. I have here a few examples. We can see here a small example. It's a very advanced material actually, and it can come with so many finishes to the extent that it can imitate the texture of the wood. So you can have the texture of the wood, the feel of the wood, with the durability and practicality and the price that you are looking for. So this sample you can see here, it's textured. It has the same texture of the wood veneer. And of course, when you say that you are pressing laminate or melamine panels on a board, then you have to cover the edge of the board with the same material. So this is called the lipping. The lipping actually it comes from the same material as the face, as the lamination face, or it can come from different material like this one. The lipping can come in PVC material that is very durable and long lasting, and it can also come in so many finishes and shapes. This is one example of how flexible and how vast this material can be. You can find it in any texture, in any color, or in any design also. The other example I can show you here is an imitation, a perfect imitation of a walnut veneer. See here, this is a walnut veneer imitation. It looks perfectly just like the natural color and the natural grain. See, the grains are not straight, it's not standard, it doesn't look artificial, it looks natural. So this material, this beautiful material, the laminate material, you can have it in any kind of type, any kind of design. And it has the practicality and durability that you are looking for, of course, and it has the price that is affordable for more people. The other material is the textured material. This is a small example of the textured material. See here, it's very rough. It's actually 3D. It's like made of 3D MDF panels. So this one also, it can be used in so many areas, and it has the ability to cover large spaces and large areas from the same finish. So basically the laminate and the melamine and more other material, this material actually it came as a substitution for using the natural veneer or the artificial veneer or the solid wood items. And the price wise, it's very competitive and very affordable for more people. I hope that this brief video was useful for you, and I thank you very much for watching this video, and I thank you for staying around for more videos talking about more what and where decor material. Thank you very much.